My name is Sarah-Ann Quarrie. I am a director at Quarrie's Auto Sales and Accessories Limited. The seminar was wonderful. I learned so much. As a young person coming into this business, coming into this retail and services industry, I was really inspired by these entrepreneurs. They really helped me realize that there's so much more out there than just sitting behind a counter. I have to go out, I have to be innovative, I have to find investors, and most importantly, I have to follow my dreams, follow what really inspires me, and follow and learn from these individuals because they are really role model trendsetters, and I really enjoyed it. It's a great seminar. The key takeaway for me was from Dr. Andre's presentation, where he mentioned backward and forward linkages. As in the retail and services industry, I think it's really important that we network and we get to know our competitors, especially, so that we can also come together, we can also learn from each other. So that was a most important takeaway. I like how each person that presented didn't come to it like we're our own niche, or for example, we cater to everybody, so that as a business society, we should be able to help each other. So that's what I really loved about it. It wasn't a selfish seminar, it was a really sharing, learning experience, and it was wonderful. I would recommend this seminar to any entrepreneur in Montego Bay, even in Kingston. I would tell them that, listen, as a young person, especially fresh out of college, I would say these persons can inspire you to get up and go do something. Even it is like, for example, Dwayne Shirley, his presentation on the home technology. Who knew that Jamaica would really be integrated into this industry, where our home, we can go on our phone and turn on a light. It is amazing what these trendsetters are doing, and most definitely I would love to go back to UTech and implore all the business, the sober students, that ladies and gentlemen, you need to come to this seminar and see where Jamaica is going, so we as university students, graduates, will be set in the right industry so that we can make moves and benefit Jamaica and ourselves, of course.